To trade securely on Coinbase, enabling two-factor authentication is essential. This guide will walk you through the process step by step. First, you need to understand what two-factor authentication is. It is a security process that requires a user to provide two different authentication factors to access an account or system. On Coinbase, this typically involves a password and a verification code sent to your phone or generated by an authenticator app. To enable two-factor authentication on Coinbase, start by logging into your account. Navigate to the Security Settings section, which can usually be found under your account profile. Look for the two-factor authentication option and select it. You will be given two options to set up two-factor authentication: using a mobile phone number or an authenticator app. If you choose to use your mobile phone number, Coinbase will send a verification code to your phone each time you log in. Enter this code to complete the login process. If you choose to use an authenticator app, such as Google Authenticator or Auth, you will need to download and install the app on your phone. Open the app and scan the QR code provided by Coinbase or enter the secret key manually. The app will generate a verification code that changes every few seconds. Enter this code to complete the login process. Once you have enabled two-factor authentication, you will need to enter the verification code each time you log in to your Coinbase account. This adds an extra layer of security and protects your account from unauthorized access. Best practices for using two-factor authentication on Coinbase include using a unique and strong password, keeping your phone and authenticator app secure, and being cautious of phishing scams. It is also important to keep your account information up to date and to monitor your account activity regularly. In conclusion, enabling two-factor authentication on Coinbase is a simple and effective way to add an extra layer of security to your account. By following these steps and best practices, you can help protect your account and your cryptocurrency investments.